Okay, so the question that we choose is question 1. So the question is given fxy equal to 2x cubed minus xy square plus y square plus 5x square plus 3. So first we must do the first derivative. So fx we differentiate the equation to x. Then we get 6x square minus y square plus 10x equal to 0. Then we differentiate f in respect to y. So we get negative 2xy plus 2y equal to 0. After that, we do second derivative to get the nature of the points. Fyy equal to negative 2x plus 2. Then fxx equal to 12x plus 10. Then fxy equal to fyx equal to negative 2y.
Okay, after that, after we find the first and second derivative, we choose either the first equation or the second equation, and I prefer you to choose the simplest one, which is the second equation. Negative 2xy plus 2y equal to 0. Then we must factorize this equation. Negative 2y they put outside, then x plus 2 equal to 0. Then after we get this equation, we must separate the y and x and equal to 0. Negative 2y equal to 0 and x plus 2 equal to 0. Then we get the value of y. For this equation is y equal to 0. For this equation is x equal to negative 2. Okay, then using this y and x value, we substitute the value into the first equation, that the first derivative equation of fx. Okay, 6x square minus y square plus 10x equal to 0. Then we substitute the value of y, 6x square minus 0 plus 10x equal to 0. To 0. Then we get two value of x, which is 0 and negative 5 over 3. Then we substitute the value of x into the first equation. Substitute the negative 2 into x. Then we also got two value of y, which is negative 2 and 2. Okay, for the critical value, we just take the value that we get from the substitution. For this equation, we get 0, 0 and negative 5/3, 0. For this equation, we get the critical point is negative 2, 2 and negative 2, negative 2.
Okay, to get the nature of the point, we use this formula. First, we take the critical point and fill up in this column. After that, we take this critical point and substitute into the second derivative respect to x, and we get 10, negative 10, negative 15 and negative 15. Also, for the second derivative of the respect of the y, we substitute the critical point into that, and we get this. Also, same with this, we substitute this into this formula. To get d, we use this formula and using this into this, and we get the point at this. D equal to 20 over 0 f x x f x equal to 0
10
over 0. This d equal to negative 116 over 3 smaller than 0. D equal to negative 100 over 0, and this also negative 100 over 0. And the conclusion we can make from this equation is the first critical point is mean, the second one is saddle, third one also saddle, okay. The nature of the point critical point 0, 0 is mean, critical point negative 5 over 2, 0 is saddle, negative 2 is saddle, negative 2, 2 is saddle. Okay, that's all for our group for this question, and we hope we get a full mark.